my name is Mikaelah and welcome back to the channel. So I hope everyone had a good Christmas. I'm honestly saying that kind of preemptively because I'm filming this on the 19th, but I travel a lot between Buffalo and Rochester, so I don't have time to film while I'm away. So we're gonna get all that filming now so I can get this video uploaded next week from this week. Whatever, we're doing it early, so let's jump into it. So today I'm going to be doing something that I have never done before. We are going to be unboxing my first Influenster package. But first, I think I scared my cat. But first, a story. So gather around, my children. Today's the day of the tale of how I ended up joining Influenster and how I thought it was honestly garbage, and then how I somehow managed to get a package. So I joined Influenster back, I want to say in like March, because I heard it was a way to get, free things sent to you. And anybody who goes, I don't like free things, they're lying. They are. I joined like so many other people do. And I was trying to be super honest with my reviews. I mean, I would come home from work, I would do like 2 hours worth of reviews a day on products I had had before, products I love, products I hated, like 1 star, if I could give it no stars, I would. And I just wasn't hearing anything back. So I'm like, you know what? I've been doing this for like 3 months. I've heard nothing. There have been people that have been doing it for years and have never gotten, offered to try stuff out. So I'm like, I'm out. I'm done. So I deleted the app and didn't really think anything of it. And then about a month ago, I got an email for a survey, and I'm like, that's spam. And I went to go delete it, and then something like in the back of my mind just clicked and was like, yo, hold up. And I'm like, oh my god, they send those when they're thinking about sending you shit. So I did the email, and 2 weeks later I got the congratulations post. So the product that I was going to get was I don't want to lie, I had to look it up to see how to pronounce it because I've had one of their products before and I just kind of mumbled mouth through it. I got the OLEHENRIKSEN toner sent to me, the new one, which I was excited for. I looked up to see if I could find any info about it and I couldn't. And then yesterday, like I said, I'm filming this on the 19th, so on the 18th, I saw on Instagram that Trend Mood had posted the new product, the new toner. So I got to see that, but I've been waiting to open this. I've had this for about a week. So when you guys see this, like 2 weeks. But I wanted to film me opening this and then, going through my first impressions and all that. So let's open this. I can't dance or sing, so I'm sorry you all had to see that. Probably watch me cut myself too, for being real honest here, because I'm that clumsy. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Ooh. OLEHENRIKSEN. I'm definitely gonna botch that. But anyway, so I know it's a toner. And it is their new, spin that box for 40 minutes. It is the Glow 2OH Dark Spot Toner. Okay, so this is what it looks like out of the box. Out of the box, copyright infringement. So this says it targets fine lines and wrinkles, evens texture, targets dark spots, fine lines and wrinkles, skin textures with high potency AHAs. So let's hold up. Let's talk about AHAs for a minute. So alpha hydroxy acids, or AHAs, are not retinoids, first and foremost. They can help with fine lines and wrinkles, but the biggest purpose of them is for cell turnover and to basically help give that glowy effect to the skin. So retinoids, wrinkles; AHAs, glow. So there are 3 types of AHAs. There is glycolic, which is derived from cane sugar. It's actually the smallest molecule, so it penetrates the fastest into your your skin. And none of this is overnight immediate. It's just, this is the faster process. So glycolic cane sugar fastest. It's not the best for those with sensitive skin or those who have just started out with AHAs, because it can, it can be really harsh. It can, inflame, redness, irritation. The next one is lactic acid that is derived from cow's milk. It's kind of like the middleman of the group. So if you've got some experience, with AHAs, your face isn't as sensitive, that one's the way to go. And then finally, there is mandelic acid, which is the largest molecule, and that is derived from nuts. That has the biggest molecule, so it doesn't penetrate down into the skin as quickly. It still does, just, more over time. That is more recommended for those who have, just started out with AHAs or people with sensitive skin, like me. Like I said before, with my soft touch AHA, that is mandelic acid. Now, when you use an AHA, it's recommended that you use them at night because they can increase photosensitivity or sun sensitivity, meaning that when you come in contact with the sun, it can result in burning, peeling, itching, basically all that nasty stuff that nobody wants, to deal with. So make sure you use them at night, and also make sure that you're using a sunscreen during the daytime. That'll help combat any of those negative effects that you could experience, or at least make it more bearable while your face is becoming acclimated to using the acids. But also use sunscreen every day because it's important, because nobody wants sun damage. Okay, so this product contains both glycolic and lactic acid, so the strongest, and then the middleman acid. It also contains witch hazel extract. It acts as, as an astringent. And it also has stuff like licorice root, which is really good for fading post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, which I'll do in another video where I compare post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation and post-inflammatory erythema and how you can tell if you have, one or the other versus acne scars. But another video for another time. We're doing this today.
Welcome back to my bathroom. I'm doing this part in here because I'm clumsy and I'll spill this on my bed. I know I will, so why take the chance? Let's just do it in here. Look at you, your little video hog. Rude. Alright, so I want to see what this smells like, what the consistency is. Okay. It smells... Smell it? She don't like it. It smells pretty citrusy. It's not bad. It's a little. It is okay. It's a pretty typical smelling, skincare product. I think I'd like it more if it had no scent to it, especially for people who have scent sensitivities. But as far as it goes, it almost, what it reminds me of? It reminds me of like lemon cookies. That's what it smells like to me, which makes sense because there's lemon in it, but I get that like lemon cookie vibe. The consistency of this is definitely thin like water. It's not like my Claire's toner, which is thicker in consistency. So they do recommend that you wipe this on your face with a cotton pad, which I would probably agree with, just so you don't lose it between your fingers. Please watch me spirit finger in front of the camera for what feels like 1,000 years. It also feels tacky as it's drying down, which I notice is similar in feeling it to my soft touch toner, so that doesn't bother me too much. But if you're somebody who hates that that tacky feeling, that might be another negative point for you. But what I did notice, because I've now shot this clip probably 3 times because I can't talk ever, it's burning my fingers a little bit. It's been on for maybe 3 minutes and I definitely feel a tingling like sensation in my fingers where the product was, which does concern me because the skin on your body is a lot more resilient than the skin on your face. So if my hand is like feeling a little burny, I'm pretty afraid to see what my face is gonna do.
So some thoughts on this. I am a little bit hesitant to put this on my face because I have a bougie bitch face that does not like having, you know, things on it. I only use mandelic acid, and that's when my face isn't dehydrated. Right now my face is, it's dehydrated. It's winter time. So the thought of putting the harshest form of an alpha hydroxy acid on my face makes me a little nervous. Another thing that, you know, makes me nervous is this contains Tocopherol. And besides the fact that I read it on the box, the way I check ingredients is I use the site called Cost DNA, which I'll link in the description. I'll link it somewhere. You'll see. I'll show you what it looks like. Now, it's not the be-all, end-all site for deciding if you should put something on your face. I use it so I can quickly break down and see if it has one of the ingredients that I know my face doesn't like. And of course, this has Tocopherol, so I want to be excited for this, and I'm definitely going to try it out. But for me and just my sensitive skin, and you know that it hates everything, this could end up going to my sister or a friend. I'm going to be really upfront about that right now. I will start testing. I'm actually going to start testing it like right after Christmas, because if it wrecks my face, I don't want it to do that with photos. So the day I post this video will be the first day I start using it. My plan is to use this one day a week for like the next month and a half, 2 months. Like I said, you saw the journal. I keep a journal about my skin and what's it doing, what products I put on it. So we will see. We'll see if my skin is okay with this. If you like this video and you want to see more future potential unboxings or videos where I'm probably going to end up scaring my cat off the back of my headboard, please hit the subscribe button below. You know, ring that bell. If you don't, I'm not going to know either way. So, you know, it's Gucci fam. But you know what? Do let me know in the comments if you got anything that you were super excited for Christmas, because I want to know. I want to know what you were excited for, what you got, and then I can see, it's like, ooh, is there something that might pique my interest? So yeah, do that. Let me know how everything was for you guys.